Kaya. Hi, Kaya. Hi, Zeddy. Kaya's gonna try out a walker for the first time. Auntie Jenny brought it for her. Yes, she did. So sweet. That's for her Easter. Let's see what she thinks about it. It's too tall, baby. She can't touch the floor. You got it?